started on the next phase. We're already stripping down the body some more. Got the master cylinder off with the brakes, parking brake pedal, just loosened that up. Worked on the transmission assembly, the motor's out, the fan blower's out. Kevin's working on taking care of some dash and some wiring stuff.
He's gonna be running by the end of the day.
You know, body swap by the end of the night. You know what? We're just gonna do that.
Okay.
It's pretty well shot anyway. Too much for factory original. putting all his toys away. Get some strip down on the Oldsmobile. Vacuumed it out and everything. Next couple of weeks we're going to be looking at some sandblasting possibly. Wants to run. So, I'm liking the way that frame came out. It's dirty, but
Far enough.
got some bad gas.
No, got fresh gas in it.
Just need to blow the cobwebs out of it.
Fine before.
All the cobwebs found their way to the carburetor. So we're gonna play with the Jimmy around the track again today, but I didn't. Showing off my fancy new antenna, so we'll get that put back for the drive home. Yeah. What'd you find? Oh. Too much fuel pressures.
Stuck on the fuel.
Something else to fix. So. Good an axle sighting. Yeah, you're on camera.
Go get him. Get the ducks or birds or whatever's out there.
Okay.
Get him.
Grumpy
Ducks.
old dog.
Get the ducks. The ducks? Quack, quack.
He's looking for you to back him up. So, alrighty, and we'll do a closeout when we get to the house. Get to drive home. I'm not taking you along for the ride. We'll just lock you up inside the camera and turn you back onto the house. Oh, I think it's about time to shut this video down. Got some dinner in the oven. We're doing chicken enchiladas tonight. Safeway Select. Yeah, we got quite a bit done on the Olds today. More than I anticipated. I was just going to go out there and throw the steering box on and get the rotors put on. Got that squared away. And then we wound up continuing the strip down on that body that's out there and found a bit more rust underneath the windshield. I need to look to see if they make panels for that. That was just a little too complicated for us to reproduce. But we got to looking at the rest of it, and other than the rot around the rear window, everything else looks really straightforward. So I want to be shopping around for some good metal. I mean, get this out of the way here. You know, this is a little crooked now, but this has been my goal. And we're really close. I mean, suspension's on. Now nothing's torqued, nothing's tightened down. It's all just loose. Because you know, you want the weight of the car on there before you start torquing everything down. But I don't know. Probably could at least run them down a bit. But yeah, I got to do some research off of this car, looking at some stuff. The other car took a real hard hit on the right front corner. The frame's all tweaked and mangled, and then somebody straightened it and welded some patches on there. But that far side of the cowl is banged up, so I want to take some pictures of that one just to kind of see what it looks like, and we're going to try to straighten the other one. And then looking into some patch panels. I think I got everything I need other than for around the windows. I got the floor pieces. Trunk looks pretty good, except right in the center over the fuel tank. That fuel tank needs to come out. It's never had a cap on it. This one may be good. So I need to pull it out and just see, you know, if I can get one good fuel tank out of two. We're ahead of the game. So, but I want to pull the headliner out of this car. If those bows are any good on this car, the other one, they were pretty rotten. We'll use these bows on the other car because this one may not even get a headliner. So, yeah, there's some parts off of this one yet. Want to take a good look at that passenger door too and see what kind of shape it's in underneath. And, it may be coming off and going to the other car and grab that door and bring it over here. But yeah, just back and forth a little bit. So we'll tinker, we'll putter. I still got to clean up the garage. Probably not going to get a whole lot into that tonight. Still kind of tired. But we'll go get dinner, get some videos edited. I don't know, I may play out here a little bit tonight, but you guys will just have to wait till tomorrow to see it. What's in my pocket? Oh, it's the O'Reilly's receipt. You know, those fit. I'm going to toss the receipt. It's for the rotors. So, possibly going to head back out there Saturday. Help Kevin work on his Oldsmobile. Get that transmission back in his car. And maybe tinker with it and clean things out a little bit. And maybe see if we can get it to roll around the yard a little bit. Like he said, his seals were supposed to show up today. And that should be pretty simple. He said he was really impressed with how easy that transmission actually came out of that car. It was, I mean, well, you saw in the video yesterday, just a handful of bolts holding it in. So it's a pretty neat old car, pretty good shape. But yeah, I think that's going to do it for today. Kind of fun, kind of exciting. Made some progress, got closer to my goal, my picture on the wall there. Motor, I got to start thinking about that. Because this motor isn't going to go in the car. I think that's this motor. This motor is going to go in this car. It's a low compression, low horsepower unit. For what I'm thinking of on this car, it'll be just fine. But I got to start shopping, see what I can find for a decent motor that doesn't need a complete rebuild. It's going to cost me a few bucks, but I'm not going to do it right away. But within the next few months, I need to start considering that. That'll give us plenty of time to tinker with the body on the old frame, because we can do all our welding and grinding and cutting when it's on that frame. I don't care what happens to that one. But yeah, we're making progress. So I'm going to kick y'all off. I got dinner cooking, like I said, playing around in the YouTubes, getting a bunch of footage uploaded. Got to go through it all, figure it all out. Took a lot of photos today. I got to do some researching, take some good notes, figure out what the next step is. I think next step is going to be probably some sandblasting. He's got some sandblast equipment out there that we're going to dig out. I may have to go figure out what material to use, what media to use, and go pick some up. And you guys got stuff on the lens. I don't have a good clean rag close at hand. Terry cloth over here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hold on just a sec. Is that any better? Yeah, I don't see a little bit on the far side. Oh well. I'll clean it later when I shut you down. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Only got a couple more days of these daily videos. Thank God, I need the rest. Catch you all the next one. Bye.